Are you still stuck in the mud about what dream job or business to pursue? Well, here are 4 simple questions you can ask yourself to discover your passion. What do you love to do? Often people like some part of their job, just not all of it. What if you could love all of it? Honing in on the parts you love will help you identify the kind of work that truly lights your passion. What are your natural talents? What have you been praised for doing in the past, and what compliments have you received either in work or even at play? A job that can utilize your natural talents and gifts will fit you as well as a glove. What can you get paid well to do? When we love our work and are naturally gifted at it, we tend to excel. When we excel, we contribute a tremendous amount of meaningful value both to ourselves and to our customers. What job works with your life? Some companies have a great reputation for being the first or the best. These reputable organizations have well-known names, but some of them are also known for burning their staff out like candles. Understanding what's important to you and what that work-life balance is to you is very key to finding your passion. Interested in learning more ways to make money creatively? Well, just check the description box down below for more information, or feel free to visit us on our channel. See you soon.